Welcome back everyone. So I made a video the other day basically showing exactly how to create lifelike photos from older videos or from older photos on your iPhone, Android, whatever, but I was using a web browser. However, I will show you how to use the app version, which is the MyHeritage app, and I'll also show you, I guess, the other way that you can do it too. So here's basically how to do it. What you want to do is you want to make your way over to your app store. You literally want to click search. You want to click search up here, and you want to type in MyHeritage. So it's going to look like an app just like this, as you can see. And what you can do is literally download this exact same app. So all you want to do is click right here. You'll get into this panel, and you want to download this app. I will also leave a link down below so you can just go straight there. Now once you have it downloaded, all you have to do is click open. And once you're here, all you have to do is pretty much either create an account. You can log in via your email, and that's exactly what I did. I literally just used my email and logged in that way. And at that point, all you have to do is pretty much click on these three little bars right there. Then what you want to do is you want to click on Photos. Now Photos is right here, as you guys can see. Now you'll probably come into this page. All you have to do at this point is click the search bar right here. So you want to click the little plus button right here, and you want to click add photos. Now you can also basically scan photos, aka just take the photos right there, but you can click add photos, and you want to allow access to either all photos or some photos, and you want to find the specific photo that you have of the face that you want to animate. Now in this case, I wanted to animate this specific photo. So we can go and hold down, I guess, and it'll go ahead and be like this. So I can swipe out. You want to select that photo, click next. And at this point, it'll go ahead and allow you to type in and do whatever you want to do. And once you have all this figured out, you want to click upload. Now at this point, it's going to bring in the photo just like this. Now I think there is kind of a limit to however many photos or photos you can do, but hopefully I don't go over this limit. So what you want to do is you want to open up this image just like this, and we want to basically access the deep nostalgia thing, which is pretty much the first little toggle. So all we have to do is click on the little option right here. So click there, and it'll go ahead and animate the face from this photo. So it's going to take a couple of seconds. It could take up to a couple of minutes, but sooner than later, what's going to happen, as you can see, it's going to tell us that it's going to animate it. And it's so crazy how accurate this thing is, because this photo is actually pretty good, but even some like lower quality photos, it does the same thing there too. So as you can see, it just went ahead and animated the photo. And the animation from the apps, I think, are better than the web browser one from my experience. For some reason, these ones just look so much better. But that's pretty much how you do it. Now you can also download the video like this. So I think you can click save, and it says animation saved. So if I go to my photos gallery, maybe, so it does actually bring it. So as you can see, it went ahead and saved it just like this. So if you want to go ahead and send it off to somebody, or you want to go to, post on TikTok or something, this is exactly how you do it. Now, if you want to use the web browser version of getting the same effect of animating your photos and everything, well, what you want to do in this case is you want to make your way over to the MyHeritage Deep Nostalgia website. Now, my favorite way of going to there is literally just typing in MyHeritage, and then Deep Nostalgia, just literally typing that in. And typically the first website is the one you want to go to. Now at this point, we're pretty much doing the same thing as we did on our app version. So what we want to do is click upload photos. We want to click photo library. And we want to again find that specific video or that specific photo that we want to bring in. So in this case, I wanted to bring in this photo. I can click choose, and it's going to go ahead and upload that specific photo. So as you can see, it's going to give you the same output pretty much as that specific photo that we took earlier, but it's just we don't have to, sign up for an account or anything like that. Now it doesn't save any of these photos, so you have to keep that in mind. You pretty much have to like screen record, from what I've seen, the specific animation. But as you can see, we pretty much get that exact same animation here, and it's really awesome. Now as you can see, we can share it out. I have not found any way to actually go ahead and download it without screen recording it. I can copy it, but it doesn't really copy well. But that's how you do it on your web browser without having to download or install anything. Like I said, I would probably recommend going through the app method. But again, both these links will be linked down below, so you can either go to this specific website or you can download the app. It's free either way. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.